I know all of you have seen these commercials.
Hi, Bill Swift here. People everywhere tell me how much they love the Flex Seal family of products.
I'm not sure what magic you guys do with stuff.
We love
Seating always
Imagine
Once you
everything.
start using it, you start finding all these other uses that you wouldn't even think.
Sounds like these people really love their Flex Seal. I am not here telling the Flex Seal does not work. Because it totally does work in some situations. I have used tons of it. My only gripe is the price. Seriously, how do they justify their prices? They obviously think highly of their product. I have a recipe that delivers better results and costs a fraction of the price. For example, my formula produces 24 ounces for less than $5. To make it, you first need to take a trip down to the Dollar Tree and pick up these items. First, I want you to grab this cock. Once you have all the cock you need, next you need to get acetone. Now grab a bottle of acrylic paint. All of these are in 8-ounce containers. Combine ingredients in a 1:1:1 ratio. Evenly, or in scientific terms. Mix all the shit together. I spent $3.75 plus tax to make 24 ounces of what I am calling liquid cock. And liquid cock is amazing. It bonds to almost anything. It is waterproof, paintable, anything that seal stuff does, except way cheaper. But then I stepped it up a notch. I was able to make a sort of poor man's fiberglass with liquid cock and canvas. I used it to wrap foam panels for insulation. But like I said, I stepped it up. Before adding a final coat, I added a bottle of school glue, a quart cup of plaster, another 8 ounces of acrylic paint, and about a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol. Mixed it up, and the final layers looked amazing. This improved formula will be called Liquid Cock Rock Hard. I used canvas and the rock hard liquid cock to make most of this doghouse. It has a camera, a heater, both operated via SPP through smart plugs. It is very insulated. I still have to put on the trim pieces, and it comes with matching stepping stones. If you can't tell by the looks of my shop, I have ADHD. Well, that's it for this video, but I have a lot more cool tricks. Like and subscribe for more.